Assalamu alaikum. This is Zafar Usmani. Today I'm going to talk about trends that are coming in leadership in Pakistan, basically. Leadership is a very wide subject, and it depends on a lot of elements which require professional grooming, which require professional understanding of the different leadership competencies. And we all know that leadership competencies are changing at a very, very fast pace there, and they have to change at a very fast pace to respond to the fast changing world, the disruption, the artificial intelligence, the new world, the new norms, and the world after Corona. Now, one feature of the new world is going to be the great competitiveness, innovation and competitiveness, and that has to be led by a success factor will be for the organizations who are innovative, who are creative, and who can create also a very good image of their existence in the market, in the customers. So image management is going to be one of the important factors, a very important factor. Now, what is corporate image? It starts with your own company brand, and people look at it, the way people advertise, product, quality of products, customer service, and everything. But on all these things, the face of the organization is the employees, people who represent the organization. And I think in the coming years, especially even now, it's going to be more important that how is corporate image projected by the employees, by our colleagues, by our team workers. How do they go and how do they project an image which is consistent with the corporate brand? Now, not much work has been done in Pakistan on that. We train in the leadership programs of various, attributes of good leader, behavioral aspect of it, but not much work has been done on the perception, image perception of the organization through. I know I've been in banking for several years, and I know in bank we used to take wearing suit and tie as part of our uniform, but everybody has a different idea of the way we dress. There has to be a dress sense, there has to be color combination, there has to be a choice of style, everything matches, and put together the first interaction of customer or any stakeholder with our employees tells a lot about the corporate image. I'm lucky. Recently, I met a gentleman in Pakistan who's migrated from New York, Mr. Hamid Saeed. He's doing a lot of work on corporate image building. He has spent a few decades in New York, and New York, as we know, is the center of fashion, corporate fashion designing, because of his world business capital, and the class of people, different segments of professionals. And Mr. Hamid Saeed has come to Pakistan with that rich knowledge, and I'm very happy to see he's very selflessly working very hard to develop this concept in Pakistan, to create awareness and to educate our executives and officers on the concept of corporate image building and personal grooming. So he is basically advising organizations in the way they can change gradually the corporate image by changing the way they dress, the way they appear, the way they interact. So this is something that actually has a long-term implication, because it's a start, and I want to suggest to all our business leaders, especially the human resource managers, because I know that human resource managers are responsible for development of employees, for aligning their image with the corporate image. They should develop some interest in corporate image building, personal image building, and perception management, and they should try and get as many details available locally. I haven't heard of many other image building structured efforts for corporate, but I think since I met Mr. Hamid Saeed, I thought I'm going to mention about him, but then I'm sure there must be some more, so one can explore. But I would like to urge our leaders, especially the human resource managers, to bring in a focus on this particular aspect of leadership development. Look forward to best of luck to you. and look forward to continue to share some thinking and knowledge. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.